The biggest reason we wanted an electronic kiosk was to give our customers an option to find the information they were looking for when they were out here on the street. So they don't have to wait until the next day to find that great restaurant or that store they've been looking for. They can find it right now by just hitting a couple of buttons.
One of the most powerful things about the kiosk is that they can advertise our events and things that are going to be happening here year-round and in advance. So a visitor may be here for one event, or just they happened upon us, but then they see that we have an event coming up and they're able to plan to come back and plan their visit around that future event that they've learned about through the kiosk.
What was really neat is that when Meridian came to Blowing Rock, they looked at where we needed units. We had structures already in place, and we basically took out an old existing static display. They were able to help create a design that fit our aesthetics, see those needs, and offer some plans that fit exactly what we needed. That's one of the things that we really like about Meridian, is the ease of communication and working with them.
I think one of the main benefits is because we're in a tourism town and we do have a lot of people who are expected to be ambassadors, people at the front desk of businesses. They're expected to know kind of where everything is in town, how to locate it, and what events are going on, and they don't always know that. And so the nice thing about the kiosk is it's a consistent voice to tell people what's going on in town and where to find what they need to find.
I think the businesses really enjoy the text feature, so that if a customer or visitor is looking at information on a business or an attraction and they need more information like the mapping to get them there or the phone number, all they have to do is hit the text button, it sends that information to their phone, and then they've got it right there in their hand. And they really like being able to do that.
So our member database powers the kiosk, and so it feeds a lot of the content there, but one of the neat things is I can upload an event poster or event information, and whether they're here or not, I can instantly change it. If you can navigate Microsoft Word, you can navigate the content management system. It's super easy, very intuitive, very user-friendly. It's really easy to figure it out. A lot of other chambers and people from other visitor bureaus have come in here and asked us about the kiosk, and we've definitely recommended it because it's just made our visitor experience that much more impactful.